Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi 13 Pro. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. So first one is right here, and that's a main speaker. Next one is right here, and that's a phone call speaker. To determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. Cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the speakers, and that confirms it. This device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.